Hello, and welcome to English Fluent, the podcast for learners who want to speak English calmly, clearly, and with confidence. I'm Alex, and I'm here to guide you step by step, day by day, toward natural English speaking. In this episode, I will speak slowly and clearly. You can listen, you can repeat, you can relax. Today's topic is very simple, but very important. How to practice English every single day. Even if you are busy, even if you feel shy, even if you live in a country where people do not speak English. Many learners believe something that is not true. They think they must live in the UK or America to speak good English. They think they need native speakers around them all the time. They think they need many hours of study every day. But that is not true. You do not need to move to another country. You do not need expensive classes. You do not need to study all night. What you really need are small daily habits, simple actions, easy steps, things you can repeat every day. These small steps help you feel comfortable. They help English feel natural. They help you feel confident when you speak. So let's begin. First, let me ask you a simple question. What does it really mean to practice English? Many people think practice means grammar books, tests, and exams. But real practice is different. Real practice means using English a little every day in your real life. Now let's talk about one very powerful technique. It is called shadowing. Maybe you have heard this word before. Maybe this is new for you. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve speaking and listening at the same time. Here is how shadowing works. You listen to someone speaking English, like me right now. You listen carefully, then you repeat what you hear. You do not stop the audio. You do not translate in your head. You do not think about grammar rules. You simply copy the sound. You repeat the words with the same speed, the same rhythm, the same feeling. It is like an echo. Let's try a few simple examples together. I want to speak English clearly. I practice a little every day. I am becoming more confident. This is shadowing. At first, shadowing can feel strange. You may feel slow. You may miss some words. That is completely okay. Shadowing is not about understanding every word. It is about training your ears and your mouth to work together. When you shadow often, your brain learns the rhythm of English. Your mouth learns how English feels. Your speaking becomes smoother. Even 5 minutes a day is powerful. Small habit, big results. Now let's answer the main question. How can you practice English every day in a simple way? Many learners say, I don't have time. I feel nervous when I speak. I don't know how to start. The answer is simple. You do not need more time. You do not need perfect English. You just need to start. Let me share several easy ways to practice English every single day. First, listen to English every day. Listening is the foundation of speaking. If you want to speak better, you must listen more. Not once a week, not only in class, every day. Listening helps you learn new words naturally. It helps you hear how English really sounds. It trains your brain to understand faster. You can listen to podcasts. You can listen to simple English videos. You can listen to stories for learners. You can listen to slow English news. You do not need to understand everything. Even 40% is good. Your brain is still learning. You can listen while walking, while cooking, while cleaning, while resting. Just 10 or 15 minutes a day is enough. Second, use your voice every day. Listening is important, but speaking builds confidence. After you listen, repeat what you hear. Say the sentences out loud. Copy the sound. You do not need to be perfect. Mistakes are part of learning. Say simple sentences. Say them again and again. Your pronunciation will improve. Your confidence will grow. Third, think in English. This is a powerful habit. Many learners think in their native language and then translate. This makes speaking slow and stressful. Instead, start with very simple English thoughts. In the morning, I am tired. I need coffee. Outside, the weather is nice. The air is cool. At work, I am busy. I need a break. These are small thoughts, but they are powerful. They help your brain connect directly to English. Later, you can say them quietly out loud. This builds fluency step by step. Fourth, read aloud. Reading silently is good. Reading aloud is better. When you read aloud, your mouth learns English. Your tongue learns English. Your confidence grows. Choose easy texts, short stories, simple dialogues, beginner articles. Read slowly, then read again a little faster. Then read with feeling. You are training your speaking muscles. Fifth, bring English into your daily life. English should not live only in a book. It should live in your phone, in your thoughts, in your daily actions. Change your phone language to English. You will learn new words naturally. You will see English many times a day. Write a short daily diary in English. Just 2 or 3 sentences. About your day, about your feelings. Record your voice for 1 minute each day. Talk about your day. Talk about what you did. Listen to yourself later. Join online English groups. Write simple messages. Send short voice notes. Connect with other learners. Watch short English videos. Repeat the sentences. Copy the tone and speed. All of these are small actions, but together they create strong habits. Strong habits create confident speakers. Remember this. English is not something you study once a week. English is something you live with every day. When English becomes part of your life, it stops feeling difficult. It stops feeling scary. It becomes natural. And that is when real fluency begins. Thank you for spending this time with English Fluent. Keep listening. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode.